Welcome back to Explaining Everything, the channel where we dig into the stories and mysteries behind the words you thought you understood. Today's shiny little mystery comes from one of our viewers, Brad with Intentions 85. Thanks for the question, Brad. You asked, what is the difference between carrot and carat? Are they the same thing, or is one just a fancier spelling? You've officially stumbled into one of the most sparkly, confusing corners of the English language. So, what is their difference? They sound identical. They both involve jewelry, and they both show up right around the time someone's dropping thousands of dollars and nervously sweating in a jewelry store. Let's untangle this glittery mess right here on Explaining Everything. Picture this. You walk into a jewelry store. Everything's shiny. There's soft lighting. Someone offers you sparkling water. You look at a ring, and the little tag reads 18 karat gold band with a 1.2 carat diamond. That's when your brain starts asking questions like, wait, why does gold have a K? Why does the diamond get a C? Is this a spelling test? Did I just agree to a second mortgage? You'd think the jewelry world would have made this simpler, but nope. Instead, we get two nearly identical words that are completely different things. And depending on which one you mix up, you might walk out with either the wrong rock or a very expensive metal circle. So let's break it down carefully. You've probably seen gold described as 10K, 14K, 18K, maybe even 24K. No, these aren't rapper names. And no, they don't refer to screen resolution. This little K is short for something that's been around for centuries. And yes, the number does matter, but not in the way you'd expect. We'll come back to what that number actually means in just a sec. For now, just remember, if there's a K, it's all about the metal. Now, flip the display case over, and you'll start seeing carat with a C, usually next to diamonds, sapphires, rubies, the sparkly stuff that distracts you from your credit card limit. This time, the number looks like 1.0 carat, 2.5 carats, or if you're a rapper or a royal, 25 carats, baby. But again, what is a carat? Is it size? Is it quality? Is it secretly just a vegetable with trust issues? Don't worry, we're getting there. Carat with a C. Let's start here. A carat is a unit of weight for precious stones, like diamonds. 1 carat equals 200 milligrams. That's 0.2 grams. Roughly the weight of a raisin, but a very rich raisin. And it's not just 1 carat or nothing. You can break it down further. A 0.25 carat stone is called a quarter carat. A 0.75 carat diamond? That's 75 points. Because nothing says romance like math. The key here, carat tells you weight, not size. A well-cut small diamond can look bigger than a badly cut large one. So don't assume more carats equals bigger sparkle. It might just mean a chunkier gem. Also, spoiler, carat weight dramatically affects price. A 1.9 carat diamond will cost significantly less than a 2.0 carat one. Why? Because humans love round numbers, and the marketing industry knows it. Carat with a K. Now for the gold stuff. Carat is all about purity, not weight. The system is based on 24 parts. So 24 karat gold is 100% pure gold. 18-carat gold. That's 18 parts gold, 6 parts other metals. 14-carat gold equals 58.3% gold. Why add other metals? Because pure gold is super soft, like bend it with your fingers, soft. So unless you want your wedding ring to double as a stress ball, you need a little durability. This is where carats come in. The lower the number, the more it's been mixed with other metals, like copper, silver, nickel, or whatever else is hanging around the jeweler's workshop. More carats equals more gold, equals more expensive, but less practical for everyday wear. So, carat with a K equals purity of gold. Carat with a C equals weight of gemstones. Same sound, different sparkle. Understanding the difference can save you from making some expensive mistakes. Imagine trying to buy an engagement ring and saying, "I want a 24-carat diamond." Your jeweler will either laugh, cry, or start measuring your net worth. Or imagine someone telling you their ring is 18-carat gold, and you assume that means it's huge. Nope, that just means it's not entirely gold. It's mostly gold, with a little bonus durability. Words matter, especially when they're attached to 4-figure price tags. So, next time you're browsing for bling, or just trying to decode the jewelry section of a magazine, remember this. If it's about how pure your gold is, that's carat with a K. If it's about how heavy your diamond is, that's carat with a C. And if you're still confused, just smile, nod, and ask the salesperson a question they can't answer, like, "What's your return policy on heartbreak?" If this video helped you differentiate carat with a K and carat with a C, don't forget to like, subscribe, and only use the word carat when talking about vegetables, please. And hey, if you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution. Thank you for tuning in, and join us next time here in the channel that answers all the why, what, who, where, and how questions you've always wondered about, here on Explaining Everything.